Welcome to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support for when the divorce process has finished. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics related to post-divorce. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of life after divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce, the podcast where we explore the journey of rediscovery and transformation after your divorce is final. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional. Now, today's episode is really about navigating the complexities of relocation after divorce, especially when children are involved. It is a tough decision that many find themselves facing, and we're here to discuss the intricacies of this challenging situation. Divorce is undoubtedly one of the most difficult experiences one can go through. It's a process that involves emotional, financial, and logistical challenges, and today we're going to get into that question many divorced parents ask themselves: can I relocate with my child after the divorce is final? It is a complex and sensitive issue that requires a lot of careful consideration. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to acknowledge the emotional roller coaster that often accompanies divorce. It's okay to feel a mix of emotions, from relief to sadness, uncertainty to hope. Embracing change and finding a new identity is part of the healing process. Now, on the question of relocation, whether it's for a new job, a fresh start, to be closer to family, many individuals who are divorced contemplate moving once they're done with the process. But when children are involved, it's not as simple as packing your bags and heading to a new city. The legalities surrounding relocation vary widely, depending on jurisdiction. In some cases, the custodial parent may need to get court approval to move with the child. The court typically considers the best interests of the child, which often involves evaluating the reasons for the move, the impact on the child's relationship with the non-custodial parent, and the potential benefits to the child. It's critical for parents to communicate openly and honestly about relocation plans. Maintaining a positive and cooperative relationship with your ex-spouse can make the process smoother. Consider discussing the potential move early in the planning stages to allow for constructive dialogue. It is also essential to involve the children in the conversation, considering their age and maturity level. Listen to their thoughts and concerns, and assure them that their feelings matter. A shared understanding can help ease the emotional impact of such a change. Of course, not all relocations are contentious. In some cases, both parents may be on board with the move, recognizing the benefits it could bring to the child's life. The cooperative approach is ideal, but it still requires legal consideration and possibly court approval, depending on the divorce agreement. If you find yourself in a situation where relocation is contested, seeking legal advice is paramount. An experienced family law attorney who specializes in divorce can provide guidance on specific laws in your jurisdiction and help you navigate the legal process. Now, as we wrap up today's episode, remember that the journey of rediscovery after divorce is unique to each individual. Relocation can be a part of that journey, but it's essential to approach it with sensitivity, empathy, and a focus on what's best for the children involved. I'd like to thank you for joining me on Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to contact me. My information is in the description. I'm happy to help. It's, never easy getting a divorce, and divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Until next time, take care.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.